I'm going to show you a product tonight that I believe in. So you know me, I don't really promote products. I don't promote brands. I don't say much. If I say a brand, it's because I like the brand. I am not sponsored by anyone. I don't get paid to do this. I do this because I love to do it. I love to help you. I love to help people when I do workshops. I love to do the things that I got confused with. And once I found out it was that simple, I was like, really? And so I just want to pass that on. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little product here that I really like. This is what I use for painting in gouache. It's great for watercolor. I use it for gouache. I use it for travel. I use it to paint in hotels or small spaces or places where I can't get to. It's very lightweight. We're selling it at the store now. It's available. I don't care. Selly, I don't care. I just got to show you this because it's awesome. Here's my little gouache setup now. Comes in a little bag. Ooh, and it's a soft, supple, little, fine Corinthian leather. Anyway, so here's the little setup. So this is what comes out. Here's a little box. Has a little shoulder strap. So, you know, like a purse if you want. Whatever. There's a little strap for it, which is just absolutely wonderful. There's a clip for your paper. This is a sidebar watercolor thing. But anyways, I'm going to open this up now. And so we flip this around like this. And when you open it up, here you open it up. Nice little set right here. Then you're going to flip this out, palette. And over here is a palette. Inside, all your little colors are going to go in there. Here's the little adjustable easel thing to hold your canvas down here. And this is adjustable to hold it. This little thing, this is your water bucket right here. It clips on, so that's your water. But wait, that's your dirty water. This is your clean water right here. This little sponge, that's your dippy sponge, which in watercolor, not so important. But if you're painting in gouache, this is gold. That's where you can take the excess water out of your gouache and make it more like oil paint. Absolutely spectacular. This hole right here, that's your potty if you need to go to the bathroom. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. It's a thumb hole, so you can hold the whole thing and go, yada, yada, yada. I can paint, I can paint. Woo! I can paint, I can paint. Okay, so a little more in depth about the box. I kind of showed you the, you know, the flippy doobie, rub-a-dub-a-dub about the box. That's great. But here's a couple things. Here's your clip for extra big paper or whatever. This is adjustable for the different paper sizes. Tab here. This tab actually holds your paper in place. So here's a whole giant sketchbook sitting right there, and I can paint on it. You could have single sheets. You can have multiple sheets. It doesn't matter. There's a clip if you have single sheets like that. So it's fine. It's made to sit flat if you need to sit flat. This just sits here like that, and you can la 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 la. Right? If you have a single sheet, you've got the clip. You can put the clip in, no problem. As I said before, this is for dirty water. This is your clean water. And for gouache, here's the most important thing. You do not want a lot of water in your gouache. This sponge is to cleany, 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 dip, dip, wipe off. But here's the even better thing about this. Look at this. Oh my God, look at, when you open it up, a brush. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that beautiful brush. It's got a little bit of sugar water on it, so it's safe. Isn't that wonderful? Oh yes, Mr. Swinton, it's absolutely beautiful. But what if I want to paint a teeny tiny thing? Well, then take this end off and paint a teeny tiny thing. Oh my God, yes, put this back on, and now you have a teeny tiny brush all in one. So here's a bit of a kicker with this. The setup comes with these half pans. And for any of you that, you know, paint in watercolor and have little sets like the Cotman Field set or some of those Van Gogh sets that they have, they're always half pans, half pans, half pans, which is fine for watercolor. It works great. Gouache is a little different. It's a little bit of a beefier medium. It's a little chunkier and it needs a little more. So I've replaced the half pans and ordered full pans. Full pans are double half pans, so there's more room for you to play in here. So when you buy the set and you get this set, there's going to be, you're going to find that you're going to ask for the full pan set or the half pan set. In this case, I have a bunch of full pans and I have some little half pans. These are for my weird colors that I hardly ever use. These are for the Mondo baby big colors that I use all the time. So I've got a bit of a different setup. This setup, you can set it up however you want. You want all half pans, you want all full pans, half and half, you let me know. We can tailor this to your need. So this will be equally good for watercolor or equally good for gouache. It doesn't matter. Tonight happens to be gouache. So the pans come empty, and there's a reason for that, is this set is very inexpensive, but you get to pick the colors you want. Whatever palette you have, whatever palette you use, whoever you're taking from, teaching from, learning from, whatever you use, whatever you choose, whatever you lose, I don't care, rhymey, you get to pick the colors you want. So for me, it's gouache. I have not filled this, but I'm going to show you. You take the little pan, and I'm going to take, and I love, this is why I love gouache, is because it will dry like watercolor. You add water, it reactivates. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to take this, which is cad yellow light, and I go right here and put a fairly copious amount of yummy color in there. And I take it, and my palette's going to be in order from all my yellows to reds to blues to purples. And you take this and you just set it in there. And look, you push that over like that. And you have the most wonderful color ready to go. And the next one, you're going to take it, which is my darker yellow. So I have a cool yellow and a warm yellow. I'm going to take it and I'm going to do the very same thing with that. Oh, it's just almost exotic doing it. And I'm going to put that in there. And so forth until my palette is full of the colors I want.